Here I have ASUS ZenFone 5Z and let me show you how to activate this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the welcome panel. Here you should find your desired language. As you can see, here you've got the whole list of available languages that you can use on that device. In my case, let me choose English from United States, for example. You can also choose here the call icon to make some emergency calls. If it's not necessary, let's go next by tapping next button. Here you can use the internet connection, so you can use only the Wi-Fi connection, or you can use both mobile network and Wi-Fi. In my case, let me use just Wi-Fi. Tap next. Here you can connect your device to a mobile network, to a Wi-Fi. In my case, let me do it. It's also a good idea to have the internet access, so let me use my network. Device is connected, so let's tap next. So here you've got your privacy rights. Let me tap yes to the following agreement. Here you have to decide either you would like to copy your data by using the backup from the iPhone or Android device, or you can set up your device as a new. In my case, let me set up as a new. The phone is checking for updates. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. So here you can sign in into the Google account. It's also not necessary, but I usually recommend this step to have some few Google features enabled, so let me do it. Let's just enter the email. Alright, let's tap next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it. Let's choose next right here. So here let me accept the terms of service and privacy policy by tapping I agree. The phone is checking info and getting account information. So here you can enable or disable backup to Google Drive. You can help apps find your location. You may also improve location accuracy and send usage and diagnostic data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled, tap accept. The phone is adding some finishing touches. You can protect your device by using some kind of the screen lock. It could be face recognition, fingerprint, PIN, pattern or password. You can also use your device without the following screen lock. Let me tap next, skip anyway, and let me tap next to the following information. Here you've got your serial number. You can register your ASUS product, but you can also do it later. Let me tap next again, next, next one more time, and tap done. That's it, the home screen pops up, so now you can start using your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.